In primetime news this evening, government and opposition square off over postponement of local government elections. Good news for Jamaican economy, TVJ releases latest data. And school administrators from Vauxhall High School clear the air about violent attack at institution.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Javon Keys.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, this evening we're again talking about the Bank of Jamaica. It has defended its decision to increase the cash reserve requirement for deposit-taking institutions. That and more in the business day.
And of course, we have Spencer Darlington standing by with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Thank you very much, Javon. Well, this evening we're looking at some local sporting venues and their safety requirement for spectators. We'll tell you more about that in Primetime Sports later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather later in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we are asking, following yet another reported heist by a bank employee, how concerned are you about the operations of banks and financial institutions?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam 1.
Please stay with us. The Primetime News Package returns right after this break.